And a happy Easter weekend from your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet, and all of us at visitmysmokies.com. Thought we'd give you an Easter sunrise forecast. We needed a nice sunrise picture for that. Luckily, John Saunders has supplied one. And that's the outlook. Mostly clear and into the mid-40s. A seasonably chilly start to the morning, but a nice payoff coming. In fact, the nicest weekend day should be on Sunday. And what are you going to do? Get something good to eat? Maybe do something special? Anything you want to do can be done this weekend in the Smokies. We're now getting into the thick of the season. All of your favorite activities are available, be it hiking or rafting or fly fishing the Smokies. Got that covered. You might say there's been a stampede of spring activities, including Dixie Stampede. The show is on the road, or at least on the Parkway in Pigeon Forge this weekend. Boy, I tell you, it's not just the shows, it's been the snows. They just won't stop. Where they didn't stop last week, one day that we'd warned you about ahead of time, where in the higher elevations there was still some accumulation in April. And temperatures that were down into the teens. And that picture is of it. Looking at the snow on the mountain from Kay Bryson. We thank you for that. Now, just because there's snow on the mountain doesn't mean there isn't any fire in the temperature furnace. I'll show you an 80-degree day in just a few seconds as we check the 7-day forecast. A couple of other things that are coming up in addition to the weather. Earth Week next week. And Gatlinburg will be celebrating that. Also coming up, Dolly celebrates coming back. There's a blog post about Dolly's homecoming parade. You can read about how to go for free right now at visitmysmokies.com. Now here's my 7-day forecast for the area, which has some clouds and rain chances on Friday, and then decreasing cloudiness during the day on Saturday. I think you'll have plenty of time to get outside this weekend. If you really want to be sure to get some sun in, I'd shoot for Sunday, 76 for Easter. There's a chance of showers maybe by Sunday night, definitely a chance on Monday. Mid-70s then, shower and storm chances, and mid-70s again on Tuesday. We warm back up to 80 by Thursday of next week. And as you can see there in that 7-day forecast, several chances to get outside and enjoy the renewal this weekend. Happy Easter to you from meteorologist Paul Poteet and visitmysmokies.com.